In this video, I'm going to show you how to upgrade and or replace your BMW engine start stop button. Now I've got a couple different options here from keysmotorsports.com. We have the red button. This is the one that I'm going to be putting in. They also have it in blue if that's your thing. And then if you want to just keep with the factory look, but maybe your button is worn out, they do sell just like a standard black one. So you have that option as well. So let's rewind a couple minutes to me taking this out of the car. Then we'll come back here and I will show you how to take this little start module apart. Use an interior pry tool to gently lift the trim from the dashboard. Pinch the tabs on the back side of the button to release it from the trim. Then disconnect the button from its harness. So taking a look at this button, you'll see that it's got this silver trim that's just like a piece of plastic, and that needs to come off. And then on the underside of there, you're gonna see the actual tabs that hold the actual button in place. So we're gonna take this off. If you look at the back side, you're gonna see there's 4 very small tabs that hold this whole thing on. And what you need to do is you need to very carefully take that small flathead screwdriver, and then you can just kind of pry them out. The only thing that's kind of tricky about this is as you pry one off, the next one is gonna wanna snap back in. And just a word of caution, this is like very, very delicate, soft plastic. So as you're prying it, just be very careful that you don't accidentally damage the plastic trim. So I got one. Now we're gonna try to get this next one. All right, there you go. So we got 2 of them. And if I get this third one, the whole thing should just come off. Okay. Just like that. And then just taking a look at the back of your new one, you're gonna see kind of where the tabs are at. There's gonna be 4 tabs. You can just very carefully go in with your flathead once again and just undo those. Kind of going from the inside here and just pry them out. You'll actually hear them when they unclip. So then to put the new button on, it just snaps in place, and the way that you line this up is if you look at, there's kind of like a U shape on the bottom, and that's gonna line up with the actual engine text there, so all you have to do is line that up, and it should just snap right on just like that. Once you've got the button snapped on, you're just gonna take your silver trim, and there's only one way that this can go on. You're gonna see that notch right there. You're gonna line it up with a notch inside the button. Just snap that on. Just like that, and you're good to go. Reinstall the button the same way you took it out. Connect the harness, snap it into the trim, and push the trim back so it sits flush. Alright, so that's really all there is to it. Really simple 10-minute mod. Whether you're trying to either add a little bit of color to your interior, or if you just want to refresh your factory button with a new black one, that's how you do it. I'll throw some links down in the description if you want to check those out. Just so you know, they also sell these for the F30 as well. The buttons are a little bit different shapes, so just make sure that you order the right one. And I would imagine that the installation process is fairly similar. So again, the links for these will be down below. I'll link the screwdriver set if you don't already have one of these. Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up if this was helpful, and I'll see you guys in the next video. So just one more thing, earlier today I asked on Instagram which color people would get, either the blue or the red, because I figured those are going to be the 2 popular ones, and 70% said red, 30% said blue, so a little interesting statistic right there. And then another question that people were asking is whether or not these illuminate like the factory one, and they do. I will show you that right now. Don't mean to blind you guys here, but yeah, you can see that the text does light up just like the original one. Now the actual LED itself in the car, it's what gives it that reddish orange light. So these will light up just like your factory one at night. So just wanted to throw that in. Again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.